Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something truly game-changing in the world of advanced materials. We're talking about the carbon black roller mill, a powerhouse machine that's transforming how we make carbon fiber. Now you might be wondering what's so special about this mill. Well, carbon fiber is known for being super strong and lightweight, used in everything from aerospace to sports cars. But the secret to its quality lies in the raw materials, and that's where carbon black comes in. This roller mill is engineered to finely grind and process carbon black into a uniform powder. Why does that matter? Because consistent particle size is key to creating high-performance carbon fiber, with incredible tensile strength and durability. Imagine it like baking. If your flour isn't evenly ground, your cake won't turn out right. Similarly, uneven carbon black can lead to weak spots in the fiber, making it less reliable for critical applications like building aircraft or race cars. With this advanced mill, manufacturers achieve precise control over the grinding process. It reduces waste, boosts efficiency, and ensures every batch of carbon fiber meets top-notch standards. That means safer, stronger products for industries that demand the best. So whether you're in manufacturing, engineering, or just fascinated by cutting-edge tech, this carbon black roller mill is a must-know innovation. It's not just a machine. It's a cornerstone of modern material science, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into industrial tech. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.